This is IODA, the Internet Outage Detection and Analysis Project. The project is led by Georgia Tech's Internet Intelligence Lab. In this video, we'll use IODA to help journalists understand Mozambique's post-election internet disruptions following the October 2024 general elections. On October 9, 2024, Mozambique held national elections. International observers, including the European Union, raised concerns about irregular counting. On October 24th, the Election Commission declared Daniel Chapo of the ruling Frelimo party the winner. Opposition candidate Venancio Mondlane, backed by Podemos, called for protests, alleging fraud. From October through January, protests swept the country. By some counts, 300 people were killed in clashes with police. And alongside this violence, IODA detected widespread internet disruptions, suggesting shutdowns timed with political unrest. At the country level, IODA saw the first abnormal dips in active probing on October 20 and 21st, just as protests began. While connectivity briefly recovered, further declines on October 23rd and October 31st never fully bounced back, leaving Mozambique's overall connectivity at a lower baseline. From November 5th through November 10th, IODA recorded daily outages. This pattern shows both one-off events and a gradual erosion of connectivity, visible when compared against the normal baseline. At the ISP level, the outages were even clearer. For Movitel, IODA's active probing shows repeated connectivity losses from November 5th to the 12th. For TMCell, the normally stable BGP routing signal dropped sharply on October 25th to the 26th, October 31st, and on several nights in early November. When cross-checked with Cloudflare radar traffic data, we see network activity plunging at the same times, confirming a real loss of service for internet users in Mozambique. Zooming to the regional level, Cloudflare data highlights disruptions in Maputo City and Nampula. The normal diurnal rhythm of HTTP requests, high during the day, low at night, broke down during the outages. These urban centers are crucial for communications and commerce, were particularly affected. For weeks, the Mozambican government gave no explanation. Then, on November 10th, the Minister of Transport and Communications admitted the state had restricted access to the internet to avoid the destruction of the country. That admission matters. It ties the disruption not to technical faults, but to policy decisions, curtailing rights guaranteed in Mozambique's constitution. IODA data cannot directly prove motive, but by applying its shutdown research, we see telling signs. Shutdowns are more likely in autocratic contests and during protests, both true here. They often repeat across 1 to 4 day intervals, matching Mozambique's wave of daily outages in early November. Combined with the government's eventual admission, these patterns strengthen the case that Mozambique's disruptions were deliberate shutdowns, not accidental outages. For journalists, IODA offers independent, verifiable evidence of what happened, when disruptions began, how long they lasted, and which providers and regions were hit. That evidence helps to check official statements and document human rights abuses, especially when authorities try to silence dissent. IODA's Mozambique data is now supporting investigations by Amnesty International into protest-related violence. Explore the data yourself at iota.live and use it to make internet shutdowns visible to the world.